Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a pink Starburst cocktail, and it literally tastes like candy in a glass. So let me show you what you're going to need. First, starting off with some ice, vanilla vodka, watermelon pucker, sweet and sour mixer, strawberry syrup, and some sugar. And as a reminder, all ingredients and measurements will be listed down below. So let's get started. Starting off with our ice into our shaker. Now our vodka. Watermelon pucker. Our sweet and sour. And our strawberry syrup. Now we're going to give that all a good shake. Alrighty, now that it's all shaken, we're gonna make our rim. Now for my rim, I'm going to mix some sugar. This is my little personal touch. And some of my strawberry syrup. And I'm gonna mix it to make it a cute pink sugar. Once it's done, it should look like this. In a plate, add some strawberry syrup so we can rim our cup. Then with that pink sugar you just made, tap some of that sugar onto it. Just like that. Now we're gonna add some ice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ice is trying to run away from me. Alrighty. Now, time to pour a drink. Smells so good. And there you have it, candy in a glass. So yummy and delicious. I hope you try out this recipe for yourself and tune in next time to see what drink we're making next.